This is a step-by-step guide to setting up T2 Lite desktop POS terminal. Take T2 Lite out of the box and you are able to see the terminal and power adapter. You can see the power port and cash drawer port on the bottom side of the T2 Lite. First, plug the power adapter into the power port. Connect a cash drawer to T2 Lite with interface cable. Please remember that you need to connect all accessories before turning on the POS terminal. After that, press the power button to turn on T2 Lite. Connect T2 Lite to your Wi-Fi network before running the POSTRON software. If you want to sync T2 Lite to other POSTRON handheld devices, you just need to make sure that all devices are on the same Wi-Fi network, then they will be synchronized automatically. Please feel free to contact POSTRON 833-767-8766 if you have any further question regarding the POS terminal.